So Cardinal Manufacturing is a student-run business out of our high school, which is at Leavestrom Central.
Students get to participate throughout their school day, and we do real-world jobs for members of the community and other businesses.
Encapsulates everything from designing the parts to making them to pricing them.
Cardinal Manufacturing to me is an opportunity creator and a future creator.
Getting them the opportunity to learn about manufacturing, getting them to learn about machining, metals, running equipment.
The students take up different positions, different job titles, such as engineers, the manufacturers.
It's more than just us. It's about bringing those younger students in and showing them kind of what it's like to work in here.
It gives our kids some responsibility. It teaches them some real life lessons.
What I learned through Cardinal was showing up on time, being responsible, safe.
Organization, being on task all the time, making sure everybody is doing what they're supposed to.
You get the real work experience, which I didn't expect to have in high school.
They have to fill out a resume, they have to go through an interview process, which is great experience for them in the future.
The expectations of the program are such that they're expected to keep good GPAs. They're expected to do well in school and not be in trouble.
So it's not just, busy work projects. It's something that's actually meaningful, that's going back out into the community.
It gives them real customers, real challenges, real problems to solve, real everything. I mean, it's real, and that's what the students like, and that's what's challenging and engaging for the students.
We are teaching real life skills through technical skills.
The skill sets are not only the hands-on learning, it's how to be a good leader and a role model.
Because of the opportunity that I had with this program, I found something that I really enjoyed and I was able to pursue it, and now I'm in a job where I enjoy going to work every day.